Welcome to V-LRN. Let's study some fun facts. Quick 25 amazing facts. Let's see how to improve your knowledge with our fun facts related to human body. If you trace your family tree back 25 generations, you will have 33,554,432 direct ancestors, assuming no incest was involved. The lungs contain over 3 lakh million capillaries, tiny blood vessels. If they were laid end to end, they would stretch 2400 kilometers. That means 1500 miles. Our heart beats around 100,000 times every day. Our blood is on a 60,000 mile journey. Our eyes can distinguish up to 1 million color surfaces and take in more information than the largest telescope known to man. So, this is a wonder by the eyes, what human eyes can do. Our lungs inhale over 2 million liters of air every day without even thinking. They are large enough to cover a tennis court. Our hearing is so sensitive it can distinguish between hundreds of thousands of different sounds. Our sense of touch is more refined than any device ever created. Our brain is more complex than the most powerful computer and has over 100 billion nerve cells. We give birth to 100 billion red cells every day. When we touch something, we send a message to our brain at 124 mph. We have over 600 muscles. Our brain uses 20% of the oxygen that enters your bloodstream. The brain only makes up about 2% of our body mass, yet consumes more oxygen than any other organ in the body, making it extremely susceptible to damage related to oxygen deprivation. So breathe deep to keep your brain happy and swimming in oxygenated cells. We have copper, zinc, cobalt, calcium, manganese, phosphates, nickel and silicon in our bodies. In 1 square inch of our hand, we have 9 feet of blood vessels, 600 pain sensors, 9,000 nerve endings, 36 heat sensors and 75 pressure sensors. The brain operates on the same amount of power as 10-watt light bulb. Your brain generates as much energy as a small light bulb even when you are sleeping. So our brain has the great power. We exercise at least 30 muscles when we smile. So we should smile whenever we get the opportunity to. The human brain cell can hold 5 times as much information as the Encyclopedia Britannica. Storage capacity of the brain in electronic terms is thought to be between 3 or even 1000 terabytes. The National Archives of Britain, containing over 900 years of history, only takes up 70 terabytes, making your brain's memory power pretty damn impressive. The brain is much more active at night than during the day. When you turn off, your brain turns on. Scientists don't yet know why this is, but you can thank the hard work of your brain while you sleep for all those pleasant dreams. Scientists say the higher your IQ, the more you dream. So the next time you dream, you know what is it. While this may be true, don't take it as a sign you're mentally lacking if you can't recall your dreams. Most of us don't remember many of our dreams, and the average length of our most dreams is only 2 to 3 seconds, barely long enough to register. Neurons continue to grow throughout human life. For years, scientists and doctors thought that brain and neural tissue couldn't grow or regenerate. While it doesn't act in the same manner as tissues in many other parts of the body, neurons can and do grow throughout your life, adding a whole new dimension to the body of the brain and the illnesses that affect it. Information travels at different speeds within different types of neurons. Not all neurons are the same. There are a few different types within the body, and transmission along these different kinds can be as slow as 0.5 meters per second or as fast as 120 meters per second. The brain itself cannot feel pain. while the brain might be the pain center when you cut your finger or burn yourself. The brain itself does not have pain receptors and cannot feel pain. That doesn't mean your head can't hurt. The brain is surrounded by loads of tissues, nerves, and blood vessels that are plenty receptive to pain and can give you a pounding headache. 80% of the brain is water. Your brain isn't the firm grey mass you've seen on TV. Living brain tissue is a squishy, pink, and jelly like organ, thanks to the loads of blood and high water content of the same. So, the next time you're feeling dehydrated, get a drink to keep your brain hydrated. The human heart creates enough pressure to squirt blood 30 feet. No wonder you can feel your heartbeat so easily. Pumping blood through your body quickly and efficiently takes quite a bit of pressure, resulting in the strong contractions of the heart and the thick walls of the ventricles, which push blood to the body. Thank you. Happy learning, we learning.